So you have the US to UK travel plug adapter from BESTEK. In this video, I'm going to go over everything that you receive with your adapter. I also got a video going in the corner where I show this a little more close up. So if you do want to see it just a little closer and look at all the different features, you can do that as well. But this is going to be what you get. It comes fully assembled. You don't have to put anything together, ready to use. How you use it is super simple. So the actual plug itself, you're going to have 3 full outlets on the bottom here. And you also got 3 USB ports and a USB-C port. So you can charge 7 things at once, which is super nice. On the back, they also do have a place where you can hang it on a wall if you'd like to do that. But how you use it is super easy. So this is going to be the plug that you're going to plug into the wall if you are anywhere in the UK. And once you have that plugged in, you're going to be able to plug in your US devices. So it's super easy to use. If you are traveling to the UK, you're going to want to use your phone charger, your laptop charger, tablet charger, or whatever, and this can be one way you can convert that. Really simple. And what I like too is it's very small. Fold the cords up. They also do a Velcro on here so you can get it all nice. It could fit in any backpack, basically the size of my palm. So if you are traveling to the UK, you're going to want to have to use your devices over there. You're going to need something like this. It's affordable, easy to use, and does its job exactly as it should. So I give it 2 thumbs up.